A little bulldozer should be a quick build, yes? Oh no! So many spruce! Anyway, I must say, so far I'm quite impressed by this instructions booklet, printed on expensive paper too. For many years now I have had this grand idea for a diorama involving among other vehicles a M25 Dragon Wagon and a M32 recovery vehicle. A small bulldozer would just be the icing on the cake, right? So, some time ago I found this one among some other versions offered. I guess it spoke to me with its little eyes on stalks headlights. I guess I'm going to learn track link assembly. This parts count is not what I was expecting. I may have to quit my day job before I tackle this one. Still, the plastic feels like plastic and I don't see any mold related deficiencies to speak of. At least the decal sheet looks small. Some transparent parts in there too, and photo etch. Some mystery parts loose in the box and on the floor already. I'll really need to set my mind to it before I get on with this one. Until then, you can subscribe for future updates. Right there, 726 pieces.